We outside with it at SRP, man. We got Kenny in the screen.
Raining.
Yeah, and it's thundering, raining. Waiting for this rain to pass over.
So
Kenny.
we're looking at some custom wiring.
Yes, sir.
Me and little Kenny did it.
Okay, talk to
We
me.
got about 150 hours in it, labor.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot. Do I got cheese on my mouth? I just had like 4 non-chips.
Nah, you good.
Nah, I apologize.
You good.
But come on in and take a little peek at it for me.
All right. So over there, on the other side over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wire from the ECU.
Okay.
And you can't even see the main harness going from the ECU across the dash even.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go over there and get a better picture. Yeah, let me go over there and get a better video. All right, talk to me. Now, what we got going on?
Now, can you see it over here? All the relays, here. Right here, we got the injector drivers.
Okay.
These are also relays for your nitrous, the ignition. That's really about it. We try to keep it real simple.
Yeah.
Not too gaudy. Everything's labeled, so you know what's what. If you look real close, it tells you what's what. Stages, stuff like that.
It look clean.
Thank you.
So you did this. You did all of this.
Yes, when we first got it, had 0 wiring in the car.
0 wire.
Every stitch of wiring was put in by me and Little Kenny.
Okay.
That's what we do on the side work. That is our work.
Yeah.
I do AC on the side now.
Yeah, I was about to say, what you got so many business to do.
I try, you know.
Yeah.
When you gotta make money to spend, that's what you gotta do.
True.
You gotta venture out.
Yes, sir. So are you new to this wiring, or?
No, I've been doing this stuff probably since 06.
06.
But of course, I was nowhere near as good. But
Right.
I've definitely gotten way gooder over the years.
Way gooder?
Way gooder.
Way gooder.
That's the word.
You usually be wearing your shirt. I just work here.
And I got a way gooder shirt, so it's a word.
Well, yeah. So how many cars you got wired so far? And
like total in the whole world?
Well,
over 100.
That's current.
I just finished these 2 in the past month.
Okay.
And I just finished another one a week ago. Took me 10 days on it, and we've got another one that we're doing now. It's a Blake Langford. So like a 69 Nova with the Hemi with the Pro Charger on it.
Okay.
So we've got about 90 hours in it. We've probably got another 40, 50 to go. And we're ready to hit the track. We're going to try to make the big X race with it, but it's not looking like possible.
Okay.
Plus, these 2 cars here are fairly fresh to me also, so I really don't want to try to have 3 untested cars out here in Jake's race trying to figure it out.
Especially for that type of event, you know. So
I can look silly on my own. I don't need help.
Yeah. right. So how long does it take you to what's the process behind it? How long does it take you to?
Well, the biggest thing is time-wise. You know, there's a lot of times I'll go out of town. I got to tune race cars, right? Right. So when I go tune the race car, it's
not just tune. You got to tune. You got to cook. You got to drive. Yeah. But go ahead.
It's just gone. You know, from the house.
Yeah.
From like a Wednesday to Sunday.
Yeah.
And then you get home. I'm home for Monday. I'm playing catch-up. Tuesday I get to do a little wiring, maybe. Wednesday, get ready to leave out Thursday again. So there's times it might take me 6 months, 8 months to actually get a car wired, you know?
Dang,
it's
for real?
Terrible, yeah.
But that's because you got a lot,
but if there's one that's like just got to get 911, and I'll work around it and make it happen. Like this one right now, I've got a full 7 days in it. We've got, like I said, a little over 80 hours in it, me and Lil Kenny together.
Okay.
And I would say 3 to 4 more days, I'll have it like completely whooped. So call it 10 days is what it takes. But like I said, it's every bit of 120 to 150 hours.
Okay, nice. And I always wanted to ask you this too, Kenny. I meant to ask you this at was that Lights Out? I think it was that Lights Out. How do you manage to drive your car, tune on 3 other people's cars, cook for people, entertain people? How do you manage?
It's like a juggling act.
Okay,
I've been doing it for so long, so it's just, I just do it. So Lights Out is, you know yourself, you've been there, it's more relaxing. We've got a lot of time between, so the cooking part is, I can throw some stuff on the grill, not worry about it. For the next 5, 6, 7 hours, you know, barbecue and stuff. Then that night we're gonna come to the pits, we're all gonna eat, you know, that fried rice, egg rolls my mom makes for us, just grill them down, that's what we're gonna do. Feed whoever comes by. You don't have to be invited, you just gotta be there.
Yeah, right.
If you didn't show up, it's not my fault.
Yeah.
I'll feed whoever, I don't care. If they hungry, come eat.
Yes, sir.
So that's how it works.
Okay then. And so if you want somebody to reach out to you for the tuning, how can they get in touch with you?
My number is 936-672-4028 or Facebook, Kenny Hubbard. It's on there also. Easy enough.
Okay, yeah.
Just know that it ain't cheap.
Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. I mean, it's Kenny, so you know. So,
It ain't bad. It's
yeah.
just, I feel like I bring something to the table, so I want to
Nah,
get paid
for sure.
for it. So.
For sure. You bring a lot to the table, Kenny. And so you got your other business, Hop by.
The hopped up pumps.
Yeah. So.
So we build the Project pumps. They're battery operated Project pump. A lot of people have the Projects that run off the little air over hydraulic. You're having to worry about having a big enough air compressor to pump the car up. Ours runs off of 2 Milwaukee M18 6 amp hour batteries with a hydraulic pump. That's it. It's simple. That's taken off quite a bit. It's been like 3 years now we started building those, so
Yeah.
they're really starting to take off now. So
Okay.
time consuming.
And if they want to purchase one, just same number.
way.
Same number. Okay.
And if
And
you're in the Houston area, you need your AC fixed, same number, call me.
yeah, okay.
We'll
Oh,
fix you
AC.
up.
I forgot.
AC.
Damn, you got so many.
Yeah.
Damn, you got the AC business too.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right. So last question: when can we get you on the Deep in Racing segment?
Whenever.
Whenever.
Sort of.
Sort of,
A
kind of.
minute or 3, right?
I don't know. That stuff takes about. I need about like 45 minutes of your time. I'm not
This
gonna
one was
lie.
taking 15, so we're halfway there.
Well, yeah, we can do it
You know
now.
what I'm saying? We got to do push-ups in a minute, so I can outdo you.
Okay,
You can
okay.
Spot me
I'll slot you 10.
25.
Can't do 25. All right, Kenny. Anyways,
Look how fat I am, dude.
thank you for your time, Kenny.
Thank you.
Thank you.